and welcome back to BarCraft with Renegade Revolution. I'm Jojo and we have the lovely
Anthony, aka Mad Wizard, but today, Dracula.
Dracula.
Not
that one.
Not that one, not that one, no.
So, if you can already tell, today we are doing Castlevania.
Hey. Fantastic series on Netflix. If you haven't checked it out, please do. Season 3 coming soon.
Season 3 is out today.
There you go.
So if you haven't already seen it, it's on Netflix. Very, very highly recommended animation.
Fantastic. It is gorgeous. Like, you know, storyline amazing. Like, even voice actor cast. Fantastic.
Everything.
Brilliant. Sorry, throughout this video I'm probably going to be whipping my hair back and forth a lot.
Don't sing that song anymore. So, what are we making today?
We are going to do Dracula. Or we're going to do 2 variations of cocktails, but today we are going to do Dracula. So this is kind of sort of like his nice evening drink. I mean, he's sitting there in his castle, chilling out, having a nice bevy.
It's a lovely magical castle.
A nice magical castle. Like, you know, who needs sat-nav and Uber these days, you know?
When you've got a magical D20 dice that can take you anywhere.
There you go.
I'm convinced that's what it is.
Right, so quite nice simple cocktail, like, you know, it's only 4 ingredients. Hopefully it tastes nice because I haven't actually tested this cocktail out yet.
Anything could happen in this video.
Anything could happen, like, you know, which is amazing. Fantastic. Oh, this hair this week. Right, okay, sorry. Also, by the way, guys, this real sheepskin. The sheep is still alive. The sheep is still alive, we hope.
Actually, we have to say thank you to Dando, who's also part of Renegade Revolutions. This is made by her. She also does commissions. If you want to look up Starkey Studios, she's very, very good. Fantastic.
Hi, Dando. Okay, so we're going to first start off with some port. Can I get my little jigger, please? Fantastic. There we go.
There is the wee cup.
Fantastic, thank you very much. So, as I said before, guys, I say we're going to be doubling up the cocktails here. As I say, if you're doing this for yourself, just half the ingredients, or if you're doing it for a party, simply just double them up, triple them up, whatever you want to do.
And if you do want to cut down the variation of, the amount of what you're putting in, there's nothing to stop you from doing that. It's by your own taste.
Yeah. Sorry, I've got to take this wig off. I cannot literally see what I'm doing.
Dun dun dun.
I know.
You're not the real Dracula.
There you go.
You're a phony.
You're not Dracula. Who are you?
Oh.
Right.
I was going to say a quote there, but I've completely forgotten it. There we go. Fantastic. So we are going to have 2 shots of port. Fantastic. So when did Castlevania actually come out?
So the game came out in 1986.
86. That is crazy. Like,
it doesn't even feel like it's been that
long. No.
That came out for Nintendo. It was made by Konami.
Oh, good old Konami.
There have been several games that have spanned across very many platforms.
Yes. Talking
about, you know, Nintendo, Xbox, PlayStation, pretty much everything, including PC.
PC as well.
Yeah.
Damn. There you go.
Fingers and pies.
So literally, if there was a console out there, there was a Castlevania game for that. Fantastic. Okay, so we are going to now follow that up with 1 shot of Cointreau. So this is an orange flavoured liqueur. We've used this many times for many cocktails.
And it's very good.
It is amazing. It is absolutely amazing. You can substitute with any sort of orange flavoured liqueur. Say Grand Marnier is a very nice one as well. But we're just using Cointreau today. But it is very, very nice.
So is this going to be a really silly question when I ask you who your favourite character is?
It was a
silly question.
And which is yours?
Also a silly question.
There we go. But yeah.
And if you're also watching this at Minamicon, hello,
yes.
We are also at Minamicon.
We will be at Minamicon, yes, and dressed as the fantastic Dracula and Trevor Belmont. So yeah, if you're around and you see this video, or if you're about, come and say hi. I'll say that'd be amazing. And then we are going to follow that up with half a shot of cognac, or in this case brandy. Substitute wise, as I say, you could probably use a sort of like any aged spirit, really, rum, whiskey, that sort of thing. But I think brandy would be more in keeping here. Don't need too much.
And what's the alcohol percentage of brandy? This brandy?
This brandy, it can vary, but this particular brandy is 36%. Okay. And it has been aged for 3 years in oak caskets, so it should give it a nice subtle flavour. What I've also done with this brandy is I've added some vanilla extract to it as well. So if you want to make your own vanilla brandy at home, literally just get yourself some vanilla extract, get yourself a really nice brandy, and literally just keep adding it until you get the taste of vanilla, basically. But it's a really, really nice flavour that it should give to the brandy. And lastly, we are going to add some Angostura bitters. So as the name implies, it's actually an aromatic sort of seasoning, so to speak. It's kind of like Liam Perrings of the cocktail world. It's that it just kind of adds a little bit of extra sort of spice or seasoning.
Just don't put it on your cheesy bread.
No. I mean, you could try. I mean, it smells really, really good. Oh. So we're going to only add a couple of dashes to there. We really do not need much at all. So, and now we need a stirry spoon.
Comes the swivelly spoon.
Swivelly spoon. So just to mix all of the ingredients up there. I say you could shake this cocktail if you really wanted to. There isn't anything carbonated.
But Dracula's quite refined.
Oh, definitely.
If you're doing any shaking,
definitely. As I say, you don't live for many centuries by giving things a good old shake, I must say. Right, there we go, and voila, the Dracula. Fantastic.
Right.
So, shall we dive in?
After you.
Oh, thank you very much.
Ladies first.
Oh, please. I should have done my hair.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh wow, you can really smell the orange.
The thing is, it smells like orange.
And
then you drink it, and you smell, you taste the port, and then the little hint of bitters, and then the orange kicks you afterwards. And
then there's a lovely sort of vanilla aftertaste from the brandy that there is.
It's very fragrancy.
It's very sweet. It's very thick. It's very rich, but it's also very warming and comforting as well. I mean, I could quite see myself just sitting here in front of the fire drinking this.
Just about to say, in your magical castle in front of the fire.
Definitely plotting my destruction of humanity.
Hey.
Yeah. I'm a vampire. What can I say? But that is a very nice cocktail. What do you think of it?
I do like it. It's like you said, it's very warming. Word of caution, obviously, if you're quite sensitive to alcohol, maybe just tone it back a little bit, especially with the brandy.
You could add water to this just to sort of dilute the alcohol just a bit. It will taste pretty much exactly the same, but you won't have that sort of harsh ethanol taste. Also, I say you don't need many of these. I would say probably only like 1 or 2 would be quite sufficient for one evening.
Not too many, especially if you're going to be out hunting creatures of the night.
Oh, definitely. Definitely. Well, I won't be hunting and I'll be sending them out. Go, my pretties, kill. Oh dear. I'm going to go back to my brandy.
Right, so if you've enjoyed this, please give us a like, give us a comment. Any ideas that you have for future cocktails, do let us know in the comments box below. And we will see you again soon with some more epic goodness and yummies.
Fantastic. See you later, guys. Have a good one.
Bye.
Drink responsibly.